Number 21, move into a house. It means to start living in a new house.
They finally moved into a house with a garden. They finally moved into a house with a garden. Moving into a house takes a lot of effort. Moving into a house takes a lot of effort. Next weekend, we move into our new house. Next weekend, we move into our new house.
Number 22, move out of a flat. It means to leave a flat you have been living in.
He finally moved out of his tiny flat. He finally moved out of his tiny flat. They plan to move out of the flat next month. They plan to move out of the flat next month. She moved out of the flat to a larger home. She moved out of the flat to a larger home.
Number 23, obtain a degree. It means to successfully complete a course of study at a university or college.
She worked hard to obtain her degree in biology. She worked hard to obtain her degree in biology. Many students obtain a degree after 4 years. Many students obtain a degree after 4 years. He's trying to obtain a degree in engineering. He's trying to obtain a degree in engineering.
Number 24, offer someone a job. It means to propose employment to someone.
The company offered her a job yesterday. The company offered her a job yesterday. He was excited to be offered a job. He was excited to be offered a job. They offered me a job, but I declined. They offered me a job, but I declined.
Number 25, pass an exam. It means to succeed in an examination.
She studied hard and passed the exam. She studied hard and passed the exam. He was relieved to pass the exam. He was relieved to pass the exam. I need to pass this exam to graduate. I need to pass this exam to graduate.